as I told you, we were making ice cream. This is home making ice cream. This is how it is after being in the freezer. Now we will remove it. This is how we remove it. Yes, the ice cream is ready. This one you eat like a sweet. You see, we remove one by one. This is how it is. You let your kids feel nice during this season of corona. Don't stress yourself. You see, even it has a design. Okay, so after that I show you the other one. Yes, this is the other one. You put for them a spoon like that, another one a spoon like this. Yes, and your kids will feel like they were in the supermarket to buy ice cream. So that is the hack I have for you, and I hope you will enjoy. You see, exactly the way you cut the normal ice cream. Okay, see. Oh my. So nice. Homemade. Homemade. This one we don't use again. So this one you preserve it like this. This one you preserve it like this. Your kids have ice cream. Okay? This you give them, they eat like balls. You see? Like that.